Ever been the only one in the room and suddenly you're expected to speak on behalf of everyone that looks like you? Whether it's mentoring younger employees, sitting on every diversity panel, or constantly being asked, what should we do about DEI? That's not just extra work, that's cultural tax. The cultural tax is the additional labour, often unpaid and unrecognised, placed on employees from underrepresented backgrounds. It's the expectation to take on additional emotional labour, unpaid DEI work, and the role of educator, all on top of your actual job. And while these contributions are incredibly valuable, they rarely lead to promotions, recognition, or pay rises. And this isn't just a feeling, this is real. In the UK, Black professionals are 3 times more likely to be called on for additional unpaid DEI work. And in the US, 60% of employees of colour say that they've been called on to educate their colleagues about race, culture, and diversity without any formal recognition or extra pay. Let's be clear. Just because you're part of a group doesn't mean it's your responsibility or even within your wheelhouse to represent that entire group. You shouldn't have to educate others about diversity because of your identity. If you're constantly being tapped for DEI work that isn't in your job description, here's your move. Advocate for recognition or redistribution. Instead of taking on extra tasks, ask this: how is this work going to be valued? Will it be in performance reviews or compensation? How can this responsibility be shared across other teams or with external experts? And if you're in leadership, ask yourself this: are you relying on the same people for diversity efforts? And more importantly, are you investing in real resources? If your company is serious about inclusion, it should invest time and money into getting qualified DEI professionals to lead the work, not just relying on employees from underrepresented backgrounds to get it done for free. Cultural tax isn't just extra work. It's an invisible burden that hurts people's careers. If you want to push back on unfair requests and get the credit you deserve, then download the free Workplace Dynamics Playbook, info in the caption. Tomorrow we're talking about code switching, which is a pressure to change how you speak, dress, or act just to fit in at work. Don't miss it.